Understanding the red carpet entrance. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard of, the red carpet entrance. This phrase is rich in meaning and history, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means but also how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's roll out the red carpet for our learning today. The red carpet entrance refers to a special welcome given to VIPs, celebrities, or honored guests at events. This literal red carpet is rolled out for them to walk on, symbolizing a high level of respect and importance. However, it's not just about the carpet itself. It's about the treatment and the prestige associated with it. When someone receives a red carpet entrance, they are being treated with great honor and recognition. The tradition of the red carpet dates back to ancient times. It is believed to have originated in Greek literature, where a red carpet was rolled out to welcome home a god. Over time, this practice evolved and became associated with welcoming high-ranking officials and royalty. Today, the red carpet is a global symbol of hospitality and luxury, often seen at award shows, gala events, and exclusive premieres. Beyond its literal use, the phrase, red carpet entrance, is also used metaphorically to describe any situation where someone is given special treatment or a grand welcome. For example, if a company goes out of its way to welcome a new employee, one might say they are giving them the red carpet treatment. It conveys the idea of making someone feel exceptionally valued and respected. You can use this phrase in various contexts to express the idea of luxury, special treatment, or a grand welcome. For example, the hotel gave us a red carpet entrance, with complimentary champagne and a personal greeter. She's always been the star of the family, receiving the red carpet treatment at every gathering. Remember, using such phrases enriches your language and helps you communicate more vividly and precisely. That's a wrap on our exploration of the red carpet entrance. We hope you now feel confident using this phrase in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, English is a vibrant language filled with expressions that can add color and depth to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to roll out your own red carpet of words in your daily communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.